Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Delta Airline app. So let's get started. So first of all, we will just open here our Google and I will just download the Delta Airlines. Okay, so you can directly search for Delta Airlines. So at here, Delta Airlines provides the app called as Fly Delta. So you can just click on the install button. So from here, I will directly install. After installing it, you can just open it. Okay, so I will just click on here and I will search for Fly Delta. The Fly Delta. So when you will just open your Fly Delta app, so it will show you like this. So if you are like a customer from previous, you have to just click on the sign in button, or if you're a new customer, so you have to click on your sign up button. So I will just click on sign in and you have to put your number, username and then your password right here. So when you will just log in, then you have the option of your accounts. So if you have existing customers, so you can directly use and you can just book your flights from here. So this is the way that we can just use our Delta Airline app. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.